Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak iOS 14.2 using Cydia. This is working on all iOS devices. It's 100% untethered. This jailbreak for iOS 14.2 does not require a computer, so no computer is required. It's so easy to do, guys. So let me just show you guys this Cydia app is fully functional. It's got all the features you need. This jailbreak is awesome, guys. I've been looking for a way to do this forever now, and I have to say this method is flawless, guys. I'm loving it. And it really only takes about 2 minutes of your time to complete this. It's working on all iOS devices, like I said. This is an iPhone XS, but I have tried it on my iPhone 12. It's working on my iPhone 12 as well. And reports have been saying this is working on the iPhone 12 Pro and all the iPhone 12 devices, okay? So anyways, guys, as you can see, this Cydia app is fully functional. So if you guys want to jailbreak your iOS 14.2 device, just follow along and I'll show you guys exactly what to do. So let's get into it. The first thing you guys want to do is open up Safari and go to the website, this website right here, okay? Just hop on this website, okay? Make sure you guys get that typed in. I'm going to make sure to leave this download link in the timestamp for this download link in the comments below, so you don't need to go fishing back for it. Cycling through, so I'll make sure to do that for you guys, make it more convenient. Anyways, guys, basically here we're going to download the Cydia installer profile. So from there I'll walk you guys through the rest of the steps, so just go ahead and click go. Okay, so now it's going to download the Cydia installer profile. So you're going to want to go ahead and click allow. Okay, click close. Okay, so now if you guys have never installed a profile before, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. Just go ahead and go to your settings. Okay, it'll say profile downloaded here, so just go ahead and click profile downloaded. Okay, as you can see, this is the Cydia installer profile. See, it says Cydia. Click install. Okay, just enter in your passcode. Okay, click the next button, install, done. Okay, so basically I just updated my Cydia installer profile. Okay, so let's just give it a few seconds to load here. Okay, perfect. So anyways, I've just updated my Cydia installer profile. Now right now the app is currently in sandbox mode, so my jailbreak hasn't been completed on my iOS 14.2 device. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to complete it. Okay, so what you want to do is you just want to click on any of the features here. So let's click manage account. Okay, so basically it says like I said, it's in sandbox. So to get it out of sandbox mode, you have to click on start injection, and when you click on start injection, it's going to take you to the installation wizard for the iOS 14.2 jailbreak. So once you get there, you basically have to install all of the apps on the installation wizard screen and do all of their exact instructions. So it's very important that you guys follow each individual app's exact instructions and take your time with the process, guys. It's super easy to do, like I said, so just install all the apps and do exactly what their instructions say. Within 30 minutes, Cydia should load and your device will be jailbroken. If it doesn't load within 30 minutes, then you did the installation wrong. You need to go back, install more apps, and do exactly what their instructions say, okay? So just, like I said, guys, each app will have its own set of instructions. Just do exactly what they say, follow it step by step. Some will say, like, install this app and leave it open for 30-60 seconds. Some will say, like, install this app, create an account. So basically, when you complete those steps, it initiates a break in the code within the app, and the files for Cydia transfer over to your device. Because basically what they did was, the developers, they hid the files for Cydia within these apps. And so when you install them and do their exact instructions, it initiates the file transfer. It's a very sneaky way. The developers are really on top of it this time. They've done a really good job at hiding the packets within. So like I said, guys, it's super easy. Just install the apps, do exactly what they say, and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching, guys. That's how to jailbreak iOS 14.2. I'm out.